Are you ready to organize your closet? Well, stay tuned for the 5 zones of every closet and the perfect products you need to organize it. The main zone of any closet is the space for hanging clothes. These items get priority placement and they should get priority treatment. But the best part, it's the easiest zone to organize. And the secret? Hangers. If you can get the same kind of hanger for your entire closet, your closet will immediately feel more organized. Whether it be the velvet flocked hangers, which are awesome for closets with a lot of clothes. These are thin, they come in a variety of colors, items don't fall off of them. Or you can do the wooden hangers, which are good for heavier items like coats and suits. Or you can go ultra modern and get these clear acrylic hangers or any kind of plastic hanger. If you can get the same kind of hanger for your entire closet, your closet will immediately feel more organized. The next thing to think about when organizing your closet is shoes. First of all, it's a very important part of your wardrobe. And second of all, shoes take up a lot of real estate. There are a lot of solutions out there to organize shoes, whether it's going to be a shoe drawer like this, or shoe bins and boxes like that, shoe shelves, and even shoe cubbies. Any of these solutions can work, and there's some beautiful products for all those solutions. But what it really comes down to is what space you have allocated in your closet, and that will help you determine what solution is going to work best for you. The third zone we want to think about is shelves. Shelves are fabulous features in your closet to showcase items that are bulky and often difficult to put into a drawer. That could be something like jeans or sweatshirts or sweaters. Shelves are also great because they help you maximize that vertical storage space, which we all want. The problem with shelves is that it's very easy for them to get cluttered and look messy. So you need to learn how to corral the items on that shelf. There's 3 ways to do this. One is with a bin, such as this, which can hold those things that are hard to fold, like bathing suits, beach cover-ups, or scarves. There's another way you can do this with a shelf divider, like something like this. They go into the shelf like that, and it keeps a stack of t-shirts or sweaters from falling over into the next stack. And another way to do this is with these premium stackable bins, which I love because it gives you a couple of levels. So you can have a stack of 10 sweaters, but broken up by this little bin here. That way you don't have to move 8 sweaters to get to that one at the bottom of the pile. So all of these are great ways to help organize that shelf and maximize your vertical storage space. Okay, the 4th zone we're going to talk about is drawers. Drawers are an essential part of anyone's wardrobe. That's where we keep our underwear and our socks and our bras and our pajamas and maybe our workout gear. Usually it's things that can fold up nicely but that don't merit that special place on a hanger or a shelf. So let's talk about drawers. Drawers have the potential to be total chaos because every time you open and close a drawer, it's like a tidal wave effect is going on. So you have to have something that's going to keep things in their place. And there is no better way to do that than with a drawer organizer. I love these drawer organizers. This is one of my favorite. It's the Dream Drawer Divider. It's white and plastic, but has an awesome spring effect, so it really keeps it in place in the drawer. If you have nicer wooden drawers, maybe a little bit shallower, you can use this bamboo drawer divider, and there's also a clear plastic one that's out there on the market that you can use as well. In any case, these drawer dividers will be a game changer for you and helping you keep your drawers organized. Okay, we're now at the 5th zone, which is handbags. There is nothing more fun than organizing a handbag collection. There is a couple things to keep in mind, however. First, you want to make sure that your handbags are maintaining their shape, and you can do that in a couple of ways. One is with a purse shapers, which come in the small, medium, and large sizes, or you can just use the paper that it came in when you bought it from the store. That's really important because this keeps the handbag from becoming permanently creased or cracking and just helps it maintain its shape. The next thing to think about is how you're going to store these handbags in your closet. Are you going to hang them? And if you do, there is a wonderful tote hanger that they create. It hangs right from the rod, and you can just hang your totes right here. A beautiful way to line them up on a rod. And another way is to put them on a shelf and line them up with like books. And you can do that first with this reliable shelf divider. And another way is to improvise a couple of office products. I love using this magazine sorter to help keep handbags in their place. And then the creme de la creme, the cherry on top, is this little 5-section acrylic organizer, which I love to give my clients for those special evening clutches or wallets or just fancy little things. And it just does a great job at showcasing your precious gems. I hope this video has inspired you and given you some ideas about how you can organize your own closet. It all comes down to those 5 zones and figuring out the best organizing solution for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you've liked this video, I would love it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.